Hello everyone. In this video we are going to replace the battery of a Chrysler, no I'm sorry, this is not Chrysler, this is Ram trucks. I have a Ram 1500 year 2015, also a Ram 2018 Rebel, and this is from the Eco Diesel. So this is quite beat up, but I have never changed the battery. I'm going to show you how to change the battery inside of this without spending a lot of money. So actually you probably spent, I don't know, maybe $2 for this particular battery. Alright, so let's get started. Before we get started, I'm just going to show you what type of battery that we're going to be using. This is the CR2032 battery, lithium battery. Any one of the CR2032 will do just fine. This one is actually something that I got from, I think, the dollar store, something pretty cheap, and usually it lasts quite a long time, so it should be okay. You can get something more expensive like Energizer or something like that. It'll be even better. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is if you have one of these keychain loop, you would want to remove them. So let me see where this thing is. Sorry, I have a Tesla logo here. Obviously this is not for a Tesla, this is for a Jeep, Ram, probably the same for Fiat, Jeep, Ram, Chrysler type of vehicle. This should be all the same. Okay, alright, so once that is removed, there is a latch here at the back right there. What you want to do is just turn that latch, push the latch this way right there, and then once you do that, you can remove this section here, this part right here that goes in there. You can remove that, and then you will see that it has this notch right here, and you would use your key to pry this off. Well, pry it open, kind of. So work your way, pry it open a little bit, and then stick it here, and then pry it open some more with the key, and then stick it again and pry it open. Just keep going down along the side until it opens up like that, and then you can completely disassemble it into two pieces. Alright, now that you have this particular piece open, I just want to let you know that there is a tab here, like right here, there's a lip here, that again you can use your key to as leverage. You can kind of pop this plastic piece open or to the top right there. So this plastic piece comes out from this side like that. Alright, so we can put that aside and clean it later. And then this rubbery piece here, you can just kind of pry off with your finger, and the electronic just kind of pop out like that. Alright, so just carefully put that down, and you don't actually need to remove this electronic out of this rubber area. The only thing that I would do is just take your finger and just kind of pop this battery out this way. So just kind of push it out that way, and then once you can grab it, just take it out and put that aside. Alright, and get a new battery. In these lithium battery, the positive is always on top. The positive is the flat part, which I call the top part, and the bottom part is the one that has this texture, kind of like that, and it has this looks like something that like a border or a cutout right here at the bottom. So that's the negative side. This is the positive side. We would want the positive to be inserted here. So go ahead and put it on, and just like that. Okay, positive on top, and after you have it all situated, just kind of put it all back again. Okay, and I'm gonna clean mine because it's so dirty. Yeah, see, it's pretty dirty, so I'm gonna clean mine first before I put it together. Okay, there you go. Should be cleaner now. And we are just going to pop this in like that. Just put it on top and just push in. Okay, we're pretty much almost done, and we're just going to pop this top part back together, and it just literally just snapped together like that. Alright, once that snaps in, I'm gonna clean this part here a little bit. It's pretty nasty. Years without cleaning. Okay. Alright, and then the key just goes right in, and it snaps in or clicks in, and that's it. You're done. I'm just gonna put my ring back or my loop back, and we are completely done. So thank you for watching this video, and if you don't have a CR2032 batteries and you would like to buy from Amazon, I'm gonna put the link in the description to buy the CR2032 batteries, and I would appreciate if you use my link to buy the battery, the replacement battery for this. And if you find this video useful, I hope you don't mind giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.